My idea of good design is something that's very functional, beautiful to look at, and will last indefinitely. And that's my goal in everything I make. I purposely moved to the country in 1972 because I really felt that I didn't want to be in a city, and that just being surrounded by countryside, it added a dimension to my life that I cherished. I think every piece you make, even when you're repeating your design, you're bringing something new to it. And it's a funny thing because you're really making the same piece over and over. I'm not trying to break any envelopes. It takes me so long to make a piece of furniture and make it the way I want. It's a challenge. I like the challenges. As far as a favorite wood, I don't think I really have a favorite. They all have an individual characteristic. They're all beautiful to work with. The grain's different, the feeling's different, the smell is different, the texture's different. I think the joy of woodworking is the process. You start with raw pieces of wood, sometimes from the tree, and fashion a design and come up with something that's both durable and beautiful. It's really the process as much as it is the product.